Hey Google, put Dance Monkey.
Playing tones and act Dance Monkey on YouTube.
Oh my god, it actually works.
Hey Google, put 20 more steps.
Playing the album 20 More Steps on YouTube Music.
Hey Google, put on Dance Monkey.
Hi viewers and subscribers, this is me, Razon Kids, and we're opening Google Nest Hub. It's a device that it's the first one I ever got. It's fun to see it because it has so much stuff, and it has, you know, you can see YouTube, Google Photos, Spotlight, Google Maps, Google Calendar, calendar, and it's $126.00. Let's get to unbox it. So first we go like this. You go like this. So obviously it's a high teen. First thing, make this little flower. Whoa. Ow. Sorry.
Doesn't even know how to open it.
Then I need to open this. And turn it over. So, how do you think now as I unboxed it? Then I'm gonna do the other side.
It's already cut.
So this is my brother. He came like me. You need to do something.
No, you don't need a cut. You can just do it. Open it up. You don't need a cut.
Yeah.
No, you don't need a cut. You don't need a cut.
What do you mean? Okay, thank you for that.
I do.
Can I?
I'll just open it.
Okay. He's obviously gonna open it.
Okay, it's hard.
Should I help you?
No. Hold the back part and I'll put it.
Okay. Look. And this is Google Nest Hub. Oh yeah. Whoa. Isn't
So
it
cool.
awesome? Just a knife can open such a big thing. Powerful.
I know, chop.
Wait.
Open this.
What do you mean? What are you doing?
Oh, can't stay. Should I open it? No, it's not.
Yeah,
It's not. I do it.
It's costing.
No, it's not costing.
What is it?
It's not costing.
What is it?
I don't know. It's plastic.
What do you mean plastic?
See, it's so easy to see.
Isn't it fun? Opening Google Nest Hub.
So cool.
So what is it? Google Calculator, Calendar, Google Maps, YouTube, Google Photos. What's Spotlight?
Hello, Google.
Can I see?
Wait.
Huh?
Yeah, wait.
Whatever it is.
Wait, is there anything in here? Oh, okay.
Wow.
There's more stuff. I didn't even notice.
Wait, is this everything? Wait, is this everything?
No, it's nothing. Let's move these all to a side.
Don't just throw it on the ground. Please. I haven't done anything.
You should do. Let's see. Connect the power to Google Nest Hub.
Okay.
This to here.
What do you mean? Then where do we get this?
You put it down there. We just have to wait. How long? Download Google app for the
What do you
Google
mean?
Store or App Store.
I have that already.
Alright, I know what to do. Can you get it?
What do you mean by ketchup? Ketchup?
Okay.
Oh, we don't need that.
We
You
don't
can
need
just, you know, that.
Oh yeah. I'm sorry, it's not made yet.
You can't say that. So isn't it awesome unboxing Google Desktop?
Now, wait, we need the iPad. Tablet. Come.
It's a Samsung iPad. Here it's my iPad.
Wait.
Samsung.
Don't you? Wait, we're all
Who's
playing.
playing Clash Royale?
Me.
Who's that? Which one is playing?
Yeah, no, none of them. You have to download it in App Store.
Yeah, I downloaded it already.
No, it's not Google Chrome. Wait, go to App Store. Oh my god! Oopsie.
Oh shit. Are you okay, Google?
Hello, Google. Google. Wait. Connected.
Hi. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay. So what's it called? Google Home. Google Home. Hello, Google.
Oh, he can't get Google Home.
No, I'm plugging into it. Google phone. Hello, Google. What's the password? What's the password? What is the password?
Google Home. That's sad. Got insulted.
No, it's at the top. Sit on the bullish. Now put this inside here. Just let it download.
No, update.
No, download.
It's updated.
Okay, quick.
Go, we need
Google.
That's cool.
Google. Oh. Google.
Welcome home. Get started.
Get started. Wants to go continue.
Hi. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Quickly, run. Yeah, I just need my phone number. A long time we've
Finally
fixed our iPad.
Yep. F63.
Confirm you're connected to the desktop, right? Yes. Yeah. Do you want to put it?
Yes, I'm in.
Yes, I'm in. Where's the device? Is it dining room, Papa?
Seriously? Enter Wi-Fi password? Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Connect your running 4G. Like, it's gonna take a long time right now.
Really?
It looks so cool, but
Can't connect to Wi-Fi.
try again. What? Come on.
Seriously? Google Parents. Partners.
Wait.
One second.
Hello, Google.
Okay, partners. Can you move?
Oh, come on.
Should I press I agree?
No.
How much should I press I
Yeah,
agree?
when it loads. No, when it loads, then I have to tell him a question. If it works, then.
Google? Okay, Google. What's the weather like tomorrow? Okay, Google. Remind me to water my plants every Monday.
Hey Google, make a call.
Hey, Google.
I'll say it. Hey Google. No, I'll say it. Set a timer for 5 minutes.
Welcome to your Google Nest Hub. It has the Google Assistant built in,
Hi. How can I help?
so you can use your voice to get help at a glance. Check it out. Jumpstart your day with a personalised routine. Just say, hey Google, good morning. For the weather, your calendar, reminders, and more.
Your commute to work is 10 minutes by car.
Simply tap to see your home screen, where you can get useful info about your day. Check out videos and recipes, and explore all the things your assistant can do. Have a question? Just ask for help from Google or YouTube. Hey Google, show me how to cut a pineapple.
Okay, playing on YouTube.
Now you can see and control all of your devices from a single dashboard. Just swipe down from the top of the screen for Home View, where you can see the status of your home, view devices in each room, and and adjust the lights, turn off the TV, and monitor cameras like the Nest Cam Outdoor. Hey Google, show me the front door. Unwind in the evening with your favourite songs and videos from YouTube Music. Hey Google, play Dua Lipa. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to adjust volume or brightness. Or use the volume buttons behind the right side of the display. To turn off the mics, simply slide the mic mute switch. And with live albums from Google Photos, Hub will automatically display your best and latest photos of loved ones.
Next.
Setup is simple in the Google Home app.
Okay.
What's this? It's Hub's light sensor. It allows Hub to automatically match the colours and lighting in any room. So photos on Hub blend
If
in with
you
your
have
home.
Google,
And when it's time for bed, Hub knows to
comment
dim for a
below.
good night's sleep.
and if it's a good,
Remember,
you
if you
know,
ever want to learn more, just say,
give it
hey Google,
who
what can you
has the
do?
best comments.
Great swiping. This is where you can find and... Now to close this, swipe up. Next, I'll show you where to find settings.
Hey Google. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow?
Resume.
In Tullymorgan tomorrow, there'll be scattered thunderstorms with a high of 31 and a low of 21. Swipe up from the bottom. Well done. This is where you can control some settings, like...
Hey Google, put on music.
Playing some music on YouTube Music.
What? Hey Google, put on the Fat Rat.
Playing the Fat Rat on YouTube Music.
Hey
What?
Google.
That's a fat rat.
Hey Google, put on 70s. 70s. 70s.
Alright, check out this 70s music station on YouTube Music.
I did 70s. Really?
Hey Google, put on 70s.
Alright, check out this 70s station on YouTube Music.
Hey Google, put on Just Dance.
Oh, Just Dance. Oh,
Just Dance by Lady Gaga, sure. Playing on YouTube Music.
What?
Hey Google, put Bad Romance.
Bad Romance by Lady Gaga, sure. Playing on YouTube Music.
Nope.
Wait. Oh my god. Hey Google, put on Alvin and the Chipmunks.
Playing Alvin and the Chipmunks on YouTube Music.
Bad Day.
Sorry, I don't know how to help with that.
Okay, never mind.
Hey Google.
Hey Google, put on the best movie.
What?
Sorry, I don't know how to help with that.
You're
But I can show you the top movies from each decade.
okay.
Nope. Hey Google, put on Google.
To play media, you can say play music by Drake or play hip-hop videos on living room TV.
Put
You
on
can also
Netflix.
use commands like pause or
Hey, Google.
continue or...
Put on Netflix.
Your Netflix account needs to be linked first. You can do that in the Google Home app.
Hey Google,
Put Crystals.
Sorry, I don't know how to help with that. Here are other things you can try.
Hey Google, put on Amethyst.
Sorry, I don't know how to help with that. Here are other things you can
Put on
try.
YouTube.
put YouTube on. Hey Google, put YouTube on.
Playing some music on YouTube Music.
Okay.
No YouTube.
And this.
No.
Yeah.
No, not
That's Hindi.
Why Why do you always see Hindi movies?
Race.
So that's it for.
So that's it for this video. Let's hope I'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Comment below, or else you won't get Google.
And
Or
subscribe.
Hey Google! Hey Google! Don't do that.
Sorry, I'll stop.
It's okay.
Hey Google, put Dance Monkey.
Playing Tones and I Dance Monkey on YouTube.
Oh my god, it actually works.
Hey Google, put 20 more steps.
Playing the album 20 More Steps on YouTube Music.
Hey Google, put on Dance Monkey.
Dance
Hey.
Monkey by Tones and I. Sure.
Hey.
Playing on YouTube Music.
Hey Google, skip 100 seconds. Forward.
Hey Google!
Skip 100 seconds backwards. Hey. Can't stop the feeling.
Hey Google, stop the movie.
Hey Google, put on Dance Monkey and skip 10 seconds forward. Just leave it, I'll sing. I'll see it.
See the way you shine.
Hey Google, put 100 seconds more.
Continue with Dance Monkey. Shush. Today was very exciting. I finally opened Google Chrome. No, not Google Chrome. Google
Home.
Google Hub, and it was very exciting, and I loved this new app. So I hope I see you next time. Bye bye.
So, isn't Google fun? It puts so much music on and songs. So,
Here are some mindfulness tips for you. Say one nice thing to a friend, family member, or acquaintance.
isn't it fun? Like Google is like one of the best things I ever opened before. Well, in my iPad I opened it already. So, enjoy, and we have good videos. Bye bye. Subscribe
as well.
and link below and put the best comment and you'll get a good prize. Bye.
Hello, my name is Shafi and welcome to Razon Kids Club. Today we'll be opening Nest Hub, Google Nest Hub, and let's get right into it.
So this is Google Nest Hub. It's $129 and
$129.
okay, and it's Google, and I'm gonna have fun opening this. And I'm Razon
Can I
Kids
just cut? Can I cut? You could show up and you'll get.
No, I think I
You'll
can
do it.
I
You do
can-
the. You do
Yeah,
the inside.
Please.
I'll just do the. Stop. Just do the inside.
So
Can I get out of the video?
yes.
No, just stop, and I'll get out.
No, I just wanted to say a little bit, and then I'll do the rest.